little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub! Today, we're going to draw and color a super fun puzzle piece puppet toy.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our black markers and begin. Start by drawing a rectangle in the middle of your page. On the left side and bottom side, draw 2 holes like small cutouts. On the top side and right side, draw 2 extended parts. Awesome! This is our puzzle piece. Draw 4 horizontal lines across the puzzle piece. This will divide it into 5 sections. Inside each section, draw small circles spaced evenly. These are the puppet bubbles. Great job, everyone!
La da 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 dee.
Now let's make our puzzle piece bold and sharp by tracing all the lines with our black marker again. Wow, it's starting to look amazing.
Yay!
Now it's time to make our puzzle piece colorful and fun. We'll use rainbow colors for this. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color.
Yay!
Purple color. Doesn't it look fantastic? You did an amazing job today, little artists. Your puzzle piece puppet toy looks super colorful and fun. Don't forget to show your awesome artwork to your friends and family. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.